Morning to one and all. So today in this video we are going to discuss about Alok Industries share. So after many days it has given a lower circuit. So we know that. So continuously it was in upper circuits, and yesterday or 2 days back also the Alok Industries was open in BSA. Okay, and today morning also there was heavy volume selling at 9 around 9:15 and 9:20 again. It was completely in upper circuit, but suddenly a selling started, and a big amount of stake was sold by someone. Okay, and the operator has entered and sold so many shares. Okay, so to create a panic among the retail investors, so we'll try to find out, okay, the basic fundamentals as well as levels on the chart, and we'll try to conclude what we need to do in this share. Okay, so firstly, if we see the complete overview, we see that the PE of this stock is currently around 2.12, and industry P is 6.08, and 100% deliveries are there for this. And you can see the market cap. Oh my god, market cap is around 11,716 crores. Okay, it's no longer a small cap stock, it's a mid cap stock. Okay, and it has gained a huge amount of capital within the past few months. Okay, so the potential of this stock is very good. Okay, there's no wrong that this company is bad or it has fundamentally weak stock. No, it has good fundamentals. And also if you see the exports of all the PPE kits also is going on very well. So you should not panic at this moment, but you need to enter at right moment. Okay, if you enter today, so you might be in losses in upcoming days. Okay, should not panic if you enter in small quantity. So that's why I tell, whenever you enter, you need to enter in small quantity, so there will be no panic, and whenever the stock falls you will add in small quantities. So fundamentally it's very good stock. Okay, nothing to panic. So we'll see the shareholding also of this company. So when you see the shareholding, we see that promoters are only having 6.15%, and pledging is 99%. Okay, pledging is very high, so complete pledging is there in this company. I don't know how much amount of pledging is removed in this company, as this app is not updated, so need to find out that. And if we see the FI's holding is 1%, and it has decreased. And if we see, okay, and if we see the financial institution holding is around 2.21%, so that is also decreased. So mutual fund holding is not there. So overall the shareholding pattern is not that interesting, only the pledging is very high. Okay, so we need to be little bit cautious about it. Okay, and if you see the strengths are the strong EPS growth and near 52-week high. You know that continuously it was hitting upper circuits, and almost 1000% returns are completed, I guess. Okay, and stock gained more than 20% in 1 month, and strong momentum is being shown in this company. Okay, strong momentum is there. So if we see the weaknesses of this company, okay, we see that negative breakdown. So today it has given a negative breakdown. Okay, promoter holding decreased more than 2%, so promoter is decreasing his stake. Okay, quarter on quarter. So decline in net profit and high volumes and top losers. Okay, so what's actually happening is that the promoter is decreasing his stake and is doing more amount of pledging. So that was the reason why it was a penny stock also, if we see few months back. And when Reliance took the stake in this, it started booming. So nothing to worry right now. Reliance is there in this company, and the company is also reporting profits, and revenue is also increasing. And if we see, the rating agencies have also given a good rating for the company. Almost A grade was given by CRISIL 3 days back. Okay, you can see this. So CRISIL has given a stable rating was given to it. Okay, long term rating. Okay, so long term point of view you need to think. So short term, if you're getting losses, you should not get into depression that why I have invested in this stock. So that sort of thinking should be avoided. So best idea is that you need to wait with patience, and if you need to invest in small quantities. Okay, future is there for this stock, but right now the selling is happening, so we need to be little bit cautious in this share. So if we see it in 1 day chart, so we see that 1 day chart, so there is a continuous momentum for this stock. Okay, so it has continuous momentum started increasing regularly upper circuits, and here 53 now it has given a break. So the possible levels to watch out for this share will be, so write down, so first level maybe we need to focus will be around 42 and 43, and next level B will be around 26 and 27, where we may add small quantities. Okay, small quantities in the sense very little shares, like 10 to 15 shares we need to add, okay, whenever we get a chance. Okay, so levels will be 43, 42, and next will be 26 and 27. Okay, so focus on these levels and don't add lump sum amount again. Okay, stay updated with the balance sheet also of this company. So business is very good. Okay, Reliance is also there with it, so nothing to worry and become panic. Okay, so if anyone is having heavy quantity or in this share who have taken today, so don't worry, so losses will be there for few days, but later it will start recovering. Okay, so it has, since it has given very huge movement, right, everything which gives huge movements needs some correction. Yes or no? Even the operators they try to book profits, right? So nothing is unlimited, so everything requires a break. So this is little break, you need to wait with patience for this. Okay, and it may fall a little bit more, so you need to cautiously add little bit of amount into it. Okay, so this is all about Alok Industries. Okay, and in the next videos we'll discuss about another share. So until then, take care, bye bye.